Hey YouTube, I'm Matthew, and this is the Printing Workshop. Today, I'm going to show you how to change out a toner on your Xerox AltaLink B8100 series copier. The first thing you're going to want to do to change out your toner is open the front cover. Your toners will be located right here at the top. Now this is a black and white model. The color models are exactly the same, except there's 3 more toners right here. Pull out the toner, it's empty. And then you'll get your new toner out of the box and you'll shake it a couple of times. And then you're gonna get ready to put it back in. And what you're gonna wanna pay attention to is these little tabs that are on the black part of the toner. Now those little tabs line up to these little holes on the machine itself. You wanna line that up and you're just gonna slide it right in, make sure it locks. Close the front cover, and you're good to go. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.